Hello and welcome to a new season of Verge3D for Blender Basics. In this series, we're gonna learn how to create an interactive product presentation from a Blender model and publish it online. Here's what we want to achieve in the end. This is a Swiss Army knife model. It can be viewed from all sides, zoomed in and out, opened and closed. All the instruments of the knife supplied with annotations which explain their purpose. Moreover, it is possible to customize the knife by choosing from free finishes like an e-commerce website. No programming skills are needed to create this application. All you need is Blender with Verge3D add-on installed. Also, we will be using a third-party web page builder called Webflow to create these HTML-based buttons. Prepare to become a Verge3D Pro. See you in the next video!